Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that's near and dear to my heart: building strong and fulfilling marriages. Marriage is a beautiful thing, but it ain't always a walk in the park. It takes work, commitment, and a whole lot of understanding. When you have a strong and healthy marriage, you have a partner in crime, a best friend, and a lover all rolled into one. So, if you're ready to take your marriage to the next level, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship, especially a marriage. It's the bridge that connects two people, allowing them to share their thoughts, feelings, and needs. When you communicate effectively, you create an environment of openness and trust. You feel safe to be vulnerable with each other, knowing that you'll be heard and understood. But here's the catch: communication isn't just about talking, it's about truly listening. It's about putting your phone down, making eye contact, and really hearing what your partner is saying. It's about understanding their perspective, even if you don't agree with it. So make a conscious decision to prioritize it in your marriage, and I guarantee you'll see a world of difference. In today's fast-paced world, it's all too easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life. Work, kids, errands, they can all take a toll on your marriage if you let them. That's why it's crucial to make quality time for each other, no matter how busy life gets. And when I say quality time, I'm talking about intentional, meaningful time where you're fully present with each other. It could be something as simple as going for a walk together, cooking a meal together, or just sitting and talking. The key is to focus on each other, to reconnect, and to remember why you fell in love in the first place. Think about it this way: your marriage is like a garden. Quality time is the nourishment your marriage needs to flourish. Respect is the bedrock of any healthy relationship, but it's especially important in a marriage. When you truly respect your partner, you value them for who they are, you appreciate their strengths, and you accept their flaws. Respect means treating your partner with kindness, empathy, and consideration, even when you're upset or disagreeing. It means choosing your words carefully and avoiding hurtful language. Remember, your spouse is your partner, not your adversary. You're on the same team, working towards the same goals. When you have respect for each other, you create a safe and secure environment where you can both grow and thrive as individuals and as a couple. Let's face it, folks, conflict is a natural part of any relationship. Even the happiest couples disagree from time to time. The key is not to avoid conflict altogether, but to learn how to navigate it constructively. When disagreements arise, it's essential to approach them with a spirit of collaboration, not combat. One of the most important things is to choose your battles wisely. Ask yourself, is this something worth fighting about? Sometimes it's better to let go of the small stuff and focus on the bigger picture. When you do need to address an issue, do it with respect and understanding. Avoid blaming, criticizing, or attacking your partner. Remember, a successful marriage is about finding solutions that work for both of you. When you set out on a journey together, it's essential to have a shared destination in mind. When you and your partner share common goals and values, you're essentially creating a roadmap for your future together. This doesn't mean you have to agree on everything, but it's essential to be on the same page about the big things, like finances, parenting, and your overall vision for the future. When you have shared goals, you have something to work towards together. It gives you a sense of purpose and direction as a couple. And when you share core values, it creates a foundation of understanding and respect. So take some time to talk about your individual and shared goals and values. Having these conversations can strengthen your bond and ensure you're both moving in the same direction. Look, you didn't tune in to hear me sugarcoat things. Marriage is hard work, but let me tell you something. It's the most rewarding work you'll ever do. When you put in the effort, when you truly commit to understanding and supporting each other, you create something truly special. Remember, every marriage is unique. What works for one couple may not work for another. But the principles we've discussed today, communication, quality time, respect, conflict resolution, and shared values, those are universal. So go out there and put in the work. Make your marriage a priority, and never, ever stop fighting for the love you share.